Very good. So basically, I represent Taaleri Private Equity Funds, and we are a Nasdaq-listed Finland-based firm, and we manage around $6 billion in investments. We currently we're the largest foreign real estate construction financier in Eastern Africa. We have two major markets that we target. One is Kenya, and the second one is Rwanda. And Kigali Heights for us was actually our first project that we financed in our Africa ventures, and that was done maybe a couple of years back, and we were very happy with it. Now we are going back to the market. We're raising fund number two, going live now in notably larger size in January, and with that fund we continue our focus in construction finance. We believe very much in Eastern African opportunity. We believe very much in Rwanda, and our experience here has been very positive. So I think I can say that we are here to stay. So it's our first project, but it will most definitely not be our last.
How big is the second fund?
The second fund, we don't know the size yet. We capped the first fund. We intentionally kept it small, so that we can control the projects better. But now the appetite what we have in Europe for the European investors to come and bring their money over here through the fund structures we provide, it was phenomenal. We booked 8 weeks for fundraising, and I think it was day 5 or day 6 we closed, we were full. So I think the second fund should be at least 4 to 5 times bigger than the first one. So it reflects on our strategy here in Rwanda as well. We are no longer looking at one project. We're looking at several projects. We're looking to do residential, we're looking to do offices, we're looking to do commercial and retail properties as well.
Out of the share that is secondary fund, how much do you think can be put in Rwanda, Kenya?
Rwanda, this is a very investor-friendly country. Let me rephrase. It's a very friendly country. So for us, we're very comfortable investing in Rwanda. Extremely comfortable. The other thing is, when we go out to Europe and we speak to press in Europe, we speak to investors in Europe, everybody loves the story of Rwanda, and why wouldn't they? It's a fantastic story. So happily, I think Rwanda is in one of the top 2 countries that we will invest. We've also done investment in Mozambique, and our mandate basically says that we can invest anywhere in sub-Saharan Africa.
Beyond real estate?
Yes.
Beyond real estate, which other areas are you looking at?
Currently, we've done anything in terms of the firm. We've done anything from real estate to biogas to a door manufacturer. So a very diverse group when it comes to private equity, but the main areas of focus for Taaleri in Africa now, we've started from real estate, but we're also one of the leading players in Europe when it comes to renewable energy. So I think that is something that we have not yet commenced in investing in this region, but it's definitely something that we're keeping a very close eye on.
Yeah, let's talk about this Kigali Heights itself, and when you look at the product that is on the ground now, what comes in your mind, and are you also planning to launch it
I think the plan is there. I think Mr. Dennis, the chairman, is best to respond in terms of the time. But I remember when I first time came here and the scaffolding was off, I felt like standing in front of it and telling all the passers-by that look at what we've done here. If you travel around Eastern Africa or anywhere sub-Saharan Africa, this quality is very hard to find. The location is perfect, the workmanship is perfect, and I always say for people who haven't been to this region that you could take this building, lift it up, place it in the central London, and it would be one of the best buildings in central London. So the quality and the design and the location there is absolutely top notch. It's very hard to find, but I think when you look around Kigali today, it's the way that this country is growing, and I think Rwanda is very quality conscious, is very conscious of the aesthetics, is very conscious of the functionality, and this is something that you have in Kigali Heights. It ticks all the boxes from that point.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.